Cooking with underwear, huh? Let's look. Hey, stop. Alright, so what do we have there?
Got onions, banana peppers, and spinach sauteing.
Looks delicious.
Yep. Italian sausage, obviously.
Nice.
Got bakers in the oven. You can take a look at them, and then, it is what it is.
Right.
Nothing pretty to look at.
Those look really good.
But you're something pretty to look at, boo-boo.
Aw, aren't you cute?
Alright, those are good. Turn that down. It's just butter.
What is that?
It's just butter and chopped up pita bread. Toasted pita with garlic in it.
Nice and
garlic.
crispy.
Fresh garlic, of course.
Nice and crispy. It tastes delicious. I never thought about using pita. Like to fry it?
Oh yeah, it's real good.
Oh, it's going to be delicious.
The vegetables are already done. Sausages are done as well. Now I'm just waiting to, these bakers are taking forever, but other than that, everything's done. And I got my scallions chopped up right there, ready to go. Scallions for the bakers. With cottage cheese, cheddar cheese, butter. And that's about it for that.
We'll see the finished product. We got fried pita, which is absolutely delicious. Never knew you could eat it like that. What is that again? Italian sausage?
Italian sausage.
And
Banana peppers, onions.
banana peppers, onions, and
spinach.
spinach.
Grilled.
Grilled. Well, what are you doing now?
Well, the potatoes are almost done, but they're not quite done. So a little trick I picked up when working in a restaurant. Take a towel, get that wet, in the microwave, 4 minutes, and that should be done.
Alright.
Just a cheap way of doing the potatoes. Where's my towel? I had another towel. I seem to have lost my other towel. Oh no, I've lost. Oh, here, I found it. Alright, this one, we'll see if this one's done, because it's smaller. It might be done. Probably not, though. Nice and steamy. Get rid of that onion there. Don't want no onion touching my potatoes. Yeah, those are probably not. Yeah, not quite. It's still a little tough in the middle. These are the same pitas I used to fry, if you wanted to wonder. Just basic pitas. Cut them up into strips and fry them. See, the way to a girl's heart is through the meal. It doesn't matter if you have a big dick. I mean, I do, so it doesn't matter. But the reason my girl loves me is not my big dick. It's the delicious meals I feed her before I give her the big dick. Alright, we're going to pop that one in there too. Let's reset that to... Well, we'll do 5 because there's 2 in there. Alright, and then we'll come back and I'll stuff the potatoes. I'll show you what I put in the potatoes. And then I'm going to rebake those. And I'll show you how I set up the plate. I'm frying more pita bread. Don't mind my chives here. I'm frying more pita bread. I got, look, if you can see, I got a fresh piece of garlic clove in there. That's where the garlic flavor comes from. So I'm just going to let that toast up. I got my veggies here. I'm going to make some more of those, though, because now that I've decided that's probably not enough. There's oh, shit. There's a pre-toasted pita bread, which I've spilled now everywhere. That's all right. Men are messy cooks. And then we got the Italian sausage. I got bacon going here for the baked potatoes. As you see, baked potatoes are done. They just need to be added to the ingredients and put in the oven to toast again.
This looks so good, and these things are absolutely delicious. Those veggies look really good.
Now, so I'm going to make another batch of veggies. And these knives, if you ever buy these motherfuckers,
oh, you're using those?
do not touch your hand with these fuckers. They will cut the life out your ass. I'm not even playing. But they work very good.
What kind of knives are they?
They're just ceramic Asian knives.
Oh, sweet.
My mom bought them off eBay. And then
Yeah, these ones right here.
Yeah, my mom bought them, cut herself, and then said, fuck it, you want these knives?
Look at that.
She couldn't stop the bleeding for about an hour. But these bad boys cut like nothing.
Look at the shear. You can see with the light.
Alright.
Alright,
Just going to give these a good cut. And don't ever waste that last peel piece. Just take the peel off.
For somebody who doesn't like onion.
I don't like onion, but I'm not going to waste the onion either. That onion died for natural and good causes. See? I almost touched my finger with it. I almost did it. Alright, there's that. I'll scoop that into here, toss that. We'll just go ahead and toss that right in with the bacon.
Oh yeah, am I taking these off?
Oh, actually, yeah. Pour those in there.
You sure they're good?
Yeah, they're good. Now put that pan right back on the burner.
Okay.
I'm going to toss my onions right in there.
Put some butter.
There we go. Speaking of butter, fat people like butter, and I'm a fat person, so this is how we do it.
He's not fat. He's pleasantly chunky.
In all the right areas.
Oh yeah.
Alright, now, here we are. I'm going to need a spoon for this part.
Oh, those look so good.
Pepper rings.
Ew, not those. I do not like banana peppers, for the record. But he
No,
loves
I
to make
love
me eat them.
They're good for you.
Yeah, so there's a lot of other things. Green pepper is good for you.
This is true.
Red pepper. I'll eat any of those.
This is also a very, very true factor. Ow. Alright, now we want a little bit.
You missed the spot.
Yeah. That's right, when we do it later, I'll hit that spot right on your face.
Shut up.
A little bit of spinach in there. Let's draw the real man.
The real man, huh?
Yep, we're going to take a little bit of mushroom.
Ew, come on.
Hey, you got your non-mushroom version right there.
Oh, that's mine? Cool.
Yeah. There we go. Now, you just keep that moving. Now what we're going to do, well, that's all working. I'm going to get some ricotta cheese.
Ricotta, that's good.
There we go. Ricotta. Alright, put a little bit of ricotta cheese here. Fresh ricotta. Put it right there inside that potato. Now you think, oh, you don't even taste that or nothing way down in it. No, you're not. You're not going to get a lot of taste out of it. What you're going to get is that creaminess in that potato. When you bust that bad boy open, that's going to be a creamy baked potato right there.
Nice.
I like my potatoes like I like my women. Nice and creamy. Alright, now we need a little cheddar cheese. Where is my cheddar? Cheddar cheese.
Thunder.
Now, I would rather grate my own fresh cheddar, but, you know, we're in a hurry today. We're trying to show you how to make a meal quick after dinner, or after work, so we're going to hit it with a little bit of cheddar. You want it kind of all over. You want to get it on the skins a little bit, so when it toasts, that's going to get in the skin. That's why I busted it open like that right there. So I can get it all down inside that skin. See that? Oh, that's like a potato skin right there. Alright. Alright. Get this bacon moving here. Alright, that's getting going. Go ahead and toss another slice in there. Bacon and the veggies.
Oh.
See this bacon here? My boy owns a restaurant. So I got it off him. You can't even get that bacon in the store. That's some service industry type bacon right there.
Great fucking food, too.
I'll be doing a food review of them. Cooper Deli in Lorraine, Ohio. We will be doing a food review.
And they're awesome. The owner, man, chill as shit.
Oh, those are done. Turn that off.
They had that heart attack burger with mozzarella sticks on the fucking
Yeah, I
burger.
like the Greek burgers.
The Greek burger. They got taco salad. Man, I got delicious shit.
Now we're going to slice a little butter. The top of that. I don't know about y'all, but I like extra butter in my baked potato. So that's how we're going to make it. Okay. And just a little more slice right there, because that's a big baker right there. I need a little extra on that one. Alright, cheddar. So I just need the bacon and the chives. Chives are going to go on top at the very end. Again, those are already cut. Bacon's almost done. I'm going to turn that up a little bit, get that done a little faster. Then, nice little trick, because I want to break the bacon up and put it on top. So what I'm going to do is, once it's done cooking, I'm going to put it on a plate. I'm going to put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes. It's going to cool it down just enough that I can break it up and crumble it up. Because if I try and break it like that, it's too you know, flexible. It's not going to break up good. Once I throw that in the microwave or the freezer for a couple minutes though, it's going to firm up and I can break it up a lot easier. Just a little trick. Alright, so we're going to come back in a minute, right when I put the potatoes in, and we can check out what I'm doing with that. Alright, you see this? Now look, when I put that bacon in there, you see how crispy that made it? So it's not as flexible, so I can break that up into smaller pieces. Go ahead and break that up. Alright. Doesn't take much. A little bit of bacon. I want my bigger chunks of bacon anyway. I don't want it too small. I want to know I'm eating bacon. I'm a fucking man. You know.
Oh man, these look so good.
I want to taste bacon.
Look at that.
And they're already getting there. Yep. See, by letting them sit there, that cheese and that butter has already started to melt. So before I put them even in the oven, they're going to be good to go. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take that bacon, layer that right over the top like that. Alright. So anyway, what I've done here is I broke up that bacon now. I pulled that bacon out of the freezer. It was nice and crispy. It was ready to go. So I broke the bacon up. A little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of the bacon. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some of these scallions on top of that. Just like that. Sweet and spicy. Just like a good woman. Alright, now. I'm going to set my oven to let's say 375. I don't want it too hot. Alright. Then what I'm going to do is get myself a baking sheet. And the reason I'm getting a baking sheet is I don't want these to drip all over the stove. So I just use a baking sheet so it's a little neater. And we don't waste cheese here. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of that and put that shit right on top. And go ahead and say in the comment, you're getting it off the counter. Ah! I clean my counter every 15 minutes. I make sure my counter's clean. I use my counter like a cutting board, baby. Alright, then in the oven it goes. Right there. We're going to let that sit for about 5-10 minutes. So I want that cheese to get nice and gooey. And then we'll pull it out, put the sour cream on. And then I'll show you how to put the rest of the plate together. Alright, so go ahead and pull the potatoes out. They've only been in here probably, what, you think, 3 minutes maybe? If that?
Maybe like 5 or 6.
Look at that. Those are perfect. Now, my little wifey here hates tomato, but my son does like it. So we're going to go ahead and put some tomato on his.
It's not.
Hey, toasted tomato. How do you like that?
Oh, it's the steam. There we go.
There we go. Now,
look at that.
keep filming that. I'm going to go ahead and put the sour cream on.
That looks delicious.
A little bit of sour cream. Right on top of that. Because, you know.
And this is why I am fat.
It's not a baked potato. She ain't fat, man. She's fucking thick and beautiful.
It's your fault. It's just your fault.
That's right. I found what you love.
Hey.
A little sour cream in there. Alright, now those are done. Let me set that like that. Oops, of course I messed that up. Alright, then what I'm going to do, take this pan here. Now, a little bit of these fried tortillas. Right. Nice little sausage. Now, this right here, that's got mushroom in it. That's mushroom, banana pepper, spinach, and onion. This is the same thing, minus the mushroom. Because that's how she likes it. So go ahead and drizzle that right on there. Just like that. Alright. She likes these, so we'll give her a couple extra. Alright. Now what I want to do, take it like that. Hold that. Now, with the sausage, go ahead and sprinkle a little mozzarella cheese on there. Just like that. Because I'm not making Italian sausage, I'm making an Italian fat boy sausage. There's a difference. Now, hold on. There it is. There it is. There's the good stuff. Take take a little pizza sauce. I know you're thinking, oh my God, what? Pizza sauce? Trust me. There's a little bit of that on there like that. Just like that. Now, if I wasn't making a video, this would be super hot, and it would be melting the cheese as is. But I'm going to have to toss them in the microwave just for a second, just so I can show you that. Cut. 3, 2, 1, and an extra 2, because I'm that kind of motherfucker. Now, take the baker. So what we got here, right there, the Italian sausage is all done now. This is the meal. You got Italian sausage with banana peppers, onions, spinach, usually mushroom, but hers gets no mushroom. She hates the mushroom. Okay? A little bit of cheddar or mozzarella cheese spread over the top with a little bit of marinara. Then you just heat that up. Then we got our toasted tortillas here. These are actually really good with Italian dressing too sometimes. You just dip them in it, or olive oil or vinaigrette, any of that. And then we got our baker here, which is a baked potato with ricotta cheese, cheddar cheese, bacon, mozzarella cheese, chives or scallions, and sour cream. Alright, so give me a thumbs up in the video, give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll keep these recipe videos coming. And we got food reviews coming soon too. Alright, get at me. Should have picked it up.